Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. It's time for us to look back on the day of Sofia's IPP meeting. This is where our service coordinator, Vinny, uses the workbook to ensure her voice is at the center of the plan. Let's check in.
Okay, Ramos fam, I got a sneak peek from Mom, so I started thinking about what supports we could provide. Sounds like the life areas Sofia wants to focus on are family relationships, community participation, and supports at home. Let's start with family relationships. Sofia, how you been? Sofia, happy. That's great. Vinny, question mark. Who, me? I'm doing great because we have a surprise for you. The most important part of family relationships is communication, especially when the family's going through changes. And since you're starting high school, we all thought you might want an upgrade. Your school's providing this early so you could get the hang of it. Family relationships? Check.
You're right. It does look like Claire's electronic enigma box. Very cool.
Let's give it a whirl.
Happy electronic pad. Cool.
Oh.
Whoa, one sec. Let me fix that real quick.
New voice selected.
How's that? Better?
Yes.
Cool. Let's get back to business. I see moving to Paris is no longer what's most important to you. It says here you want to find something in the community that's just for you. I love that. This is something we could actually help with. Paris was a little above my pay grade to authorize. So, is there an activity or club you want to explore?
Sister, detective, book, phone.
Oh, that's right. Sofia wants to join this club.
Hey. Do you love mystery books? Do you wish you could be a detective? Well, now you can. We're accepting new members to the Mystery Mavens. Not just a book club, but a mystery club. We read books, we go to conventions, we even explore cold cases. The world is your mystery to solve.
So, you want to join the Mystery Mavens? I think that's very doable. What about you guys? What do you think?
It looks fun, mija.
Community participation? Done.
It does, but there are many things to think about, like how do you get there?
They meet on weekends at Bargeman's Books. I can drop her off on my way to work. She just needs to be picked up.
Bathroom, food, car.
Oh, someone would have to go with her.
This is something that's very important for Sofia. So I have an idea. Personal assistance, which is one-on-one support to help Sofia with her normal day-to-day tasks.
Is this included in her respite hours, like the assistance that Uncle Tito is paid to provide?
No, it's an additional service on top of respite. You could keep the hours you already have.
How much is that?
Don't worry, it's covered by the Regional Center. We work with agencies that provide trained staff. I could set up an appointment, and you could find the best match to provide personal assistance services. And that's supports at home.
Anyone want something to drink? I'll be right back.
What's up with Mom?
Isabelle, what's wrong?
Well, I know that the IPP workbook is designed to help Sofia, but when we were answering the question about her daily needs, I realized that I am her daily need. I'm not sure a personal assistance professional is the right decision for Sofia or for our family.
You're an amazing mom, but you can't be with Sofia 24/7. And she's growing up.
What if there's an emergency and Sofia gets separated from her personal assistance professional? How would they find each other? Or what if Sofia needed to call 911? How would she even do that?
What if we create an emergency plan with Sofia and add it to her IPP?
What would that look like?
Well, the family could get Sofia a cell phone and share her location. That way, you or her personal assistance professional can always find Sofia if she's separated. And we can save the Regional Center's after-hours number if there ever was an emergency.
This makes me feel a lot better. But we need to make sure Sofia's on board too.
Believe you me, she's 14. She's gonna want the cell phone.
Oh! Okay, If we are going to do this, then it isn't enough for you to just have a helper. We need a plan in case there is an emergency.
You got it.
When it became clear Sofia needed assistance to participate in her community, her planning team agreed to update the IPP to include additional services. The IPP is a living document and should be updated whenever needs change. Remember, person-centered planning isn't about creating better paperwork, it's about helping to create better lives.